The NIMO 173 FHD Gaming Laptop is about to change your daily grind forever. With its lightning-fast performance, stunning display, and sleek design, this powerhouse of a laptop will make you wonder how you ever settled for anything less. Let's start with what makes it so fast. The AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor is a beast, delivering up to 4.5 GHz boost clock speed that'll have your favorite games running smoothly and your work getting done quickly. But what does that mean in real life? It means you can multitask like a pro, juggling multiple tasks at once without any lag or delay. Whether you're working on a project, streaming your favorite show, or gaming with friends, this laptop's got the juice to keep up. Next up is the 17.3-inch FHD display, which looks stunning and reads comfortably under a variety of lighting conditions. What does FHD mean? It stands for full high definition, which means the screen can show up to 1920 by 1080 pixels, giving you crystal clear visuals that'll make your favorite shows look more lifelike than ever before. And with the flexible 180-degree hinge, you can lay it flat and share content with friends or colleagues without any hassle. But what really sets this laptop apart is its storage and memory. 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD mean you can store tons of files, videos, and programs without any issues. That's right, you'll be able to keep all your favorite games, movies, and music stored on the go, making it perfect for travel or studying. The laptop also comes with a range of ports and slots, including HDMI 2.0, micro SD card slot, and USB-C PD fast charging, making it easy to connect your devices and accessories without any hassle. And with built-in Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2, you'll stay connected to the internet and your favorite devices all day long. But what really gets me excited about this laptop is its accessibility features. A physical webcam shutter ensures you can control who sees you on camera, while fingerprint one-touch login lets you log in quickly and easily without having to type a password. And with Windows 11 security technology, you'll be protected from hackers and malware all day long. Finally, the laptop's design is just as impressive as its specs. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to carry around, making it perfect for travel or taking to class. And with dual stereo speakers that deliver clear sound quality, you can enjoy your favorite shows, music, or games without any compromise. So if you're looking for a laptop that'll make your daily life easier, faster, and more enjoyable, the NIMO 173 FHD Gaming is the perfect choice. With its lightning-fast performance, stunning display, and sleek design, it's ready to revolutionize the way you work, play, and live on the go.